In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to build a lovable project from templates. This process is a fantastic way to get started on creating a project you can truly be proud of, especially if you're looking for a little inspiration or a head start. Let's dive right in, step by step, so you can make the most of what templates offer. First, you're gonna want to head over to the website lovable.dev/templates. This site hosts a wide array of templates tailored to meet various design needs, whether you're working on a personal project or something more professional. Once you've reached the site, take your time to explore. Hit that URL, and let's search for the array of templates available. After you familiarize yourself with the landing page, go ahead and click on the article link. This will provide you with more detailed descriptions of the types of templates available and what each one has to offer. Reading through the article can also give you ideas on how best to adapt a template to suit your specific project needs. Next, it's time to select the template that speaks to you. This choice is where your creativity comes into play. Consider the goals of your project and what aesthetic or functional features you need. Browse through the options and select the template that aligns best with your vision. Keep in mind that you can make modifications later, so focus on finding a solid base from which to start. Once you have your template in mind, click on Highlight. This will open up the template in more detail, allowing you to see all the components included. This preview is a practical feature because it gives you a clear sense of what you'll be working with
Before you even begin the customization process. When you're ready, you'll want to hit the Start Building button. This exciting step initiates the actual creation process. The tool provided will enable you to start editing and molding the template into something that fits your project perfectly. Finally, you now have the power to edit the template to your liking, adjust colors, tweak layouts, and insert your content to reflect your project's unique identity. This stage is where your project starts coming to life, turning a generic template into a personalized masterpiece. That wraps up our guide on building a lovable project from templates. Remember, the key is to be patient, experiment with different elements, and enjoy the creative process. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these steps help you in crafting something truly amazing. If you found this guide helpful, don't hesitate to explore more templates and uncover new styles that broaden your creative horizons.